Hi everyone. Thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today, where I'll be running through the operation of a QuadraFire 230-0120 pellet stove controller. This is an all-black controller, which is an upgrade from the older TASSB-93V.12A pellet stove controller. I have this one connected to my pellet stove tester right now. The tester is comprised of a temperature simulator for the thermocouple, where I have it set to K-type thermocouple and currently to room temperature or 49 degrees Fahrenheit. The tester also has a thermostat so that I can call for heat, a call for heat indicator lamp, an igniter bulb to simulate the igniter, a light bulb to simulate the combustion fan, and a light bulb to simulate the auger motor. The tester also has a light bulb to simulate the convection or room fan, but for this model of controller, that light bulb will not come on. This controller does power the light bulb in one way or another, but a thermal switch in your stove actually determines when the convection fan comes on or not. So, with the thermocouple reporting a temperature of a cold room, 49 degrees Fahrenheit, our 2.5 minute timer having elapsed and the auger off, not calling for heat, I'll go ahead and do a call for heat by turning on the thermostat. And that will cause a number of lights to come on. First of all, the call for heat light came on, which is a little green light which is located on the back of most of your stoves. The igniter came on, and so did the auger. So, again, if we left it in this condition for 2 minutes or more, the auger would shut itself off. But in this instance, we're going to go ahead and ramp up the temperature. On my box here, I've noted that the green light should come on at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's quickly make that happen. So we'll go up to 188, 200, and we see that the green light has come on. As I continue ramping up the temperature, I'll go up to 1100 degrees Fahrenheit, and that will cause the red light to come on. And at the same time, the igniter should shut itself off. There we are. We're at 1100 degrees. The igniter just shut itself off. So we have the auger running. We have a fire that is over 1100 degrees Fahrenheit, and the heater element shut itself off. If I drop the temperature, we'll see that the igniter comes back on and off as I mess with the temperature, and we see the green light, or sorry, the red light change status. So I'll stay up at over 1100 degrees Fahrenheit, which will cause the red light to be on. Let's jump that up a bit just to be safe, and then I'll adjust the thermostat. As I do that, if I stop the call for heat, the auger motor shuts off. Call for heat, stop the heat. Call for heat, stop for heat. So notice how that functions. As the thermostat calls for heat, the auger motor starts driving pellets, which should make the fire roar. If the room gets warm and the thermostat stops calling for heat, the auger stops driving pellets, and the fire should damper a little bit, and the room will cool a little bit. So there we have it. If I continue in this mode, not calling for heat, and I drop the temperature below 1000, and I call for heat again, the igniter comes back on, just to make sure that we get ourselves a fire going, just a safety precaution. And once I reach 1100 degrees Fahrenheit, the igniter shuts itself off. So there we have it, some of the features of this controller. I hope that this video is of value to you. Please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate that. For those of you who have questions about this or want to contact me, check the video description down below. You'll find a link to my contact information where you can call or text me, or feel free to leave comments in the comment section of this video. I'll try to respond if I see them. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.